So, bago po magsimula, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa ating lahat na seryosong usapin ito. At tiwala ako sa chair ng subcom na seryoso tayo dito. At hindi ko po na-appreciate ang napaka-casual na mga sagot ni dating presidente tungkol sa patayan. At tumatawa at pumapalakpak pa ang ilang kasama dito sa session hall. So siguro, tigilin na natin yung nakasanayan natin na normalize at gawing katatawanan ng patayan. Sir, sabi nyo, when you are confronted by a criminal, you must overcome the resistance. Ibig po ba sabihin na lahat ng na EJK may barel? Kasi kung gano'n, nasa na po kaya yung mga barel? Dapat may libo-libo ng barel sa custody ng PNP. Do you have any thought on that?
No, that is you're asking somebody somewhere or to make an accounting which is not possible. That your question cannot be answered here.
All right, sir. So, but I think it can be questioned kung hindi nyo kayang i-address, itatanong po namin sa PNP. Sabi nyo rin po kanina, you take full legal responsibility for the consequences of the drug war.
Yes.
Kanina rin,
Yes.
kanina rin sabi nyo maraming mali. No? So, halimbawa, si Kian De Los Santos, menor de edad, hindi armado, nagmamakaawa, pero pinatay ng mga pulis sa drug war.
Oh.
Do you take responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos?
The criminal act, hindi naman siguro.
The death. You take responsibility for his death.
Walang maniwala na abogado sa akin yan. That
Hindi
would
po,
be
sir.
a long shot.
Hindi po abogado. Nandito pa lang tayo
I
sa
was
Senado, hindi sa
referring
Korte.
to the policy na ginawa ko para sa mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Sabi
At
ko,
nagbunga
for that,
yung
I
polisiya.
take full responsibility
Yes,
for
and
that.
what about yung bunga ng polisiya na libo-libong namatay kasama si Kian De Los Santos? Do you also take full responsibility for that? Because in October 2020, na-quote po kayo na sinabi nyo, if there's killing there, I'm saying I'm the one. You can hold me responsible for anything, any death that has occurred in the execution of the drug war. Noong October ulit, October 21, nung 2021 naman, in a Reuters interview, kinwote kayo na sinabing, if there is any person who is going to prison, it would be me. I assume full responsibility. So, do you assume responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos, Mr.
No.
Chair? No.